What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be finding the integral of the following function. Remember guys, if you think you can able to do this one, pause the video and try to do it, and let's see if you can able to find the answer is the one that we want to find at the end of this video. Now guys, if you're new on this channel, subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video you can able to watch it as soon as I upload it. Guys, as you can see, this function here, it requires you to simplify before you find the integral. Right, now in order for us to simplify, we need to break this line here. Remember, on the numerator here we have sine x cos multiplied by cos x plus cosec x. Now we need to break this, so we can rewrite this like that. You can say sine x cos x. I hope you guys can see. Divide by sine x plus we have plus here, so we can write cosec x divide by sine x. There we go. Remember, when we simplify, the sigma and the dx, they remain there. Okay, now when you look at this, we know that this sine x divided by that sine x, we're going to give you 1. You're going to be left with cos x. But what about this one here? Now this one can be tricky. What I can tell you guys is best to do this. It's best to use the inverse of sine. Remember, this sine here is 1 over sine x multiplied by cosec. Hence we have this. Now we know that 1 over sine, it's cosec x. Remember that guys. So meaning we can say cosec x, this one here, multiplied by that one there, cosec x. This step was not really that necessary, but I wanted to show you guys where the other cosec comes from. Now if you're not so sure how to do the inverses, there's a video here. Go and watch those inverses there. I try to explain almost all the inverses of the trigonometric ratios. Alright, now let's continue. Let me erase this first. Let's continue. Alright, now if you rewrite this now, we'll have cos x plus cosec multiplied by cosec is going to give us cosec squared x dx. Right, so this is what we have. Now we can start to integrate this function like this, because we know the integral of cos, also know the integral of cosec squared. So let's start with the integral of cos. Remember guys, cos and x, the integral is going to be positive sine n x over n. Remember, n is the coefficient of x plus c. So remember, c stands for constant, and also it indicates that these are indefinite integrals. Right, so we're just gonna change this cos x to sine. So the integral of cos is gonna be sine. Since n is 1, we don't put anything here. Divide by 1, so it's gonna give us sine. Now let's look at cosec. Now if you still remember the integral of cosec squared, do this. Never forget the n guys, very important. The integral of cosec is going to be negative cot nx over n plus c. I hope you still remember, guys. Just in case you don't know or you want to learn more about these integrals for trigonometric functions, there is a video there. Go and watch that video. I explain these integrals a little bit further. Right, now let's continue, guys. Now we have sine x, and then here, meaning now we have to subtract by cot. Do we have n here? We don't have n. N is actually 1, so we can write cot x divided by n, which is 1. So the final answer is going to be sine x minus cot x. Guys, I hope you managed to understand this one. It was not that tricky. The only thing that you need to understand or you need to remember was simplifying this in a way that you can able to integrate. Because if you did simplify it in a way that you couldn't integrate, you are going to be stuck somewhere. Guys, if you didn't understand, you can rewatch the video, and also you can leave a comment in the comment section if you have anything to ask or to add, as well as you can share this video to your friends who are doing the same subject. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be able to see that video as soon as I upload it. Guys, at the end of this video, there will be a playlist that will appear there. Click on that playlist to watch this trigonometric function as I integrate them. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.